Today, Ningtibi and Malim Nandi are traveling from Impal to New Delhi. Let's see how they use simple English at the airport. Ningtibi: Malim Nandi, are you excited to go to Delhi? Malim Nandi: Yes, I'm so excited. Let's go check in. Stop. Good morning. May I see your tickets and ID, please? Ningtibi: Here you are. Stop. Do you have any check-in baggage? Malim Nandi: Yes, one bag is. Stop. Thank you. Here are your boarding passes. Get 3. These are very common phrases at the airport. Repeat after us to practice. Ningtibi: Where is gate 3? Stop. Go straight and turn left. Malim Nandi: Thank you. Always ask politely at the airport. It helps. Air hostess: Welcome abroad. Ningtibi: Thank you. Malim Nandi: Could you please tell me my seat number? Air hostess: Sure. 15A, window seat. Now, Ningtibi and Malim Nandi are ready for New Delhi. Which city should we go to next? Comment below.